You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's look at how to say "How are you?" in Spanish. How to say in Spanish, "How are you?" How to ask somebody, "What's up? How are you?" Generally, it's pronounced as "Cómo?" "Cómo?" with a stress on the first syllable, meaning how. "Estás?" "Estás?" meaning are you? How are you? "Estás" has a stress on the second syllable, so "Cómo estás?" That's if you kind of know the person, because there is a way if you want to be super polite, or you don't know the person, or you're talking to a superior in the hierarchy, your boss, for example, you'd say "Cómo está?" meaning how are you in a more formal way. So, but generally, just casually, "Cómo estás?" "Cómo estás?" And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.